Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, and I'll start off by saying we've never communicated more in human history, yet people are struggling more than ever to express clear thoughts. And one of the biggest reasons isn't lack of intelligence, it's how texting is reshaping our language skills. If you're new here, I'm Paul, and this is Effective Communications, where I break down how clarity builds confidence, influence, and trust. Today, I'm talking about the real impact texting has on how we think, speak, and write, and why it matters more than most people realize. Now, what does texting actually change? Texting has trained us to communicate fast, use fragments instead of full thoughts, and rely on shorthand, emojis, and implication. None of that is bad, but here's the problem. We started using casual language habits in serious environments rather than just with texting. It has been costing us as far as our language skills are concerned. I see this consistently in business, leadership, and relationships. People struggle to explain ideas clearly, write structured messages, or even speak with authority under pressure, because texting doesn't train clarity, it trains speed. And speed without structure leads to misunderstanding. Now, why does this matter? Well, language shapes the way we think, shapes thinking. When language gets shorter, thinking often gets shallower. Strong communicators don't just sound better, they think better because they organize ideas before expressing them. How do we fix it? You don't need to stop texting. That doesn't make any sense, and that's not going to happen. You need to separate your environments. Separate your environments. Here's how. Speak in full sentences when it matters. Slow down important messages. Practice writing shortcuts without shortcuts. Match your language to the situation. Convenience should never replace clarity. If you want people to trust you, follow you, and take you seriously, your language has to show intent. I hope this video has helped. I can expand on it probably in my podcast, but I'll put a PDF down in the pinned comments for you to download, which might give you some bullet points to remember, maybe give you some ideas. Send me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, all notifications, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. But thank you for stopping by, and I hope this helped.